want to find out how much load this takes to lift up the gear lever. Basically, how much load is going through your foot. 3.5 kilos, and it just starts to move. So that means you're lifting up 3.5 kilos with your foot. There's no point in overworking yourself, is there? It's closer to 4 actually to get it moving. It's missing gears every now and then, and I think it's partly because of how heavy and hard it is to move. It's the linkage, the pivot lengths. If you measure that distance and that distance, that's actually a bigger measurement. So what I've got is I've got this gear lever which I'm going to try and put some holes, different holes going further down. Because the closer you get this to the pivot point, the closer that is to there, you get more movement, but it's also a lot lighter. There's another way around. You can put a longer one of them on, and it has a similar effect. This is this end of the gear lever, and it's basically the further away the pivot point is from that, is the easier it is to move. You can imagine if you're trying to move that with your fingers, it's quite hard work. But if it was down here, it'd be super light. I need to get it super hot and put a bend on it, so it comes out about 10 mil, just to clear the frame tube. So I'm thinking if I can make it easier to move, it'll give me more. It's like trying to take off a big nut with a small spanner. The amount of effort that goes into it. Every little bit counts, yeah. I'd like to half it.
Half it?
Yeah.
So we're just lowering it now?
Yeah. $38. It feels lighter. Let's just see how much lighter it actually is. It's starting to move now at just under 2k. At 2 kilograms it's moving, so it's basically twice as light as it was.
Half as heavy.
Or half as heavy, yeah. It's obviously going to move more, but I can live with that, I think. Well, you can make it really light by lengthening, putting a longer one on them, or maybe even shortening that anymore. But the problem then is you start to have a massive amount of movement. And that's just a lot lighter than it was. It was bloody heavy before.